Hello, today I will show you how to clear credentials on your Samsung Galaxy M10. Let's start by unlocking the phone, pressing the power key and swiping up. Now swipe up once again and go into settings. And in here, let's go into the biometrics and security menu. In here, swipe up once again and go into the other security settings. And here, swipe up once again and you have a clear credentials option. Select it and you'll be asked if you want to remove all content. Select OK. And just like that, credential storage has been cleared. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.